Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the infamous Twinzilla from Hot Bodies. This was a kit back in the day which you could turn your Savage 21 or Savage 25 into a twin nitro motor setup. The kit came with 2.26 Hot Bodies motors, and this truck initially, the donor truck, is a Savage XL, the OG generation 1. It's got 8 shocks. Let me take the body off and show you what's going on underneath here, and then I'll show you some running videos of it also. So yeah, so this is the Twinzilla kit. Alright, as you can see, it's got the Savage X radio box. It's got a 3-speed transmission with reverse. There's the 2.26 motors. Yeah, I got some road rash on the heads because this truck likes to wheelie. It really likes to wheelie. Aluminium A720 HPI aluminium shocks. I've also got the 17mm hex adapters from Hot Bodies Racing. Should check how they hold out. They look very cool. Also dual temperature sensors, CT sensors that I've got. So I've got one over there and another one over there, so I can get live feedback to my FlySky Noble remote. Quite cool, so I can just check my engine temperatures on the go live. Yeah, wheelie bar. That's pretty much all that has been done to this truck. Oh yeah, hidden, I have fitted sway bars. Yeah, those are quite difficult to get, but yeah, but enough talking, let's go on to some running videos of the truck. Hey guys, well, just to close off for today. Today was awesome, but also at the same time it didn't go too well. One of the 17mm adapters from Hot Racing, sorry, earlier I said Hot Bodies, but it's actually from Hot Racing. You can easily get them on AliExpress. Very cool adapter for upgrading the existing hexes to aluminium hexes. But yeah, so I'll put the truck back together. I'm gonna have to look into it soon in the week, and then I'll give you guys an update on exactly what went wrong there. But now I just like to put the truck back together, so I'll just show you how it looks now. There you go, truck's all in one piece. The wheel is on, but it's loosely on, as you can see. a lot of wobble, but I got something cool and interesting coming up. And what do we have over here? We have got the rare PICCO 26 Outlaw big block. Yeah, this motor I'm going to be putting into a Savage XL, and this actually comes out of my Truckzilla Sport. But honestly, I feel that this motor kicks out so much power, it's like crazy. It's already destroyed so many rear diffs in my Truckzilla Sport. Diff gears, pinion gears. This thing kicks out an insane amount of low-end torque at low RPM. It's just massive, and it's only a 0.26. We'll be doing a strip down video on this motor, so you guys can check it out internally. And then also I will be putting a brand new clutch bell, even though there's nothing wrong with this one, but this is a 17 tooth. I am changing it for something smaller, either 15 or 14, to meet the gear ratio that I want to do with the XL. And going to be fitting new aluminium pads in there, so new aluminium shoes and a new clutch bell. Yeah, with me feeling like this, I can feel the bearings is not so lekker on this one, but okay, cool. But yeah, guys, please like and subscribe, and yeah, soon you're going to be seeing a video with this bad boy running. And trust me, this motor, sure, this is probably one of my most favorite motors out of all the nitro motors I've gone through. I love PICCO motors. In all my Revos, I've got the 26 Max motor. But yeah, guys, be sure to check out, like and subscribe, and check out the next videos coming up with this beautiful gem of a motor. Cool. Cheers, guys.